Hello friends. In this video, I will teach you kitchen action verbs. Let's get started. Chop, meaning to cut into small pieces. Example sentence, she chopped the onions for the salad. Slice, meaning to cut into thin pieces. Example sentence, he sliced the bread for sandwiches. Dice, meaning to cut into small cubes. Example sentence, she diced the tomatoes for the salsa. Stir, meaning to mix with a circular motion. Example sentence, he stirred the soup to mix the ingredients. Boil, meaning to heat a liquid until it bubbles. Example sentence, she boiled water for pasta. Fry, meaning to cook in hot oil. Example sentence, he fried eggs for breakfast. Bake, meaning to cook in an oven using dry heat. Example sentence, she baked cookies for the party. Grill, meaning to cook over direct heat, often on a grill. Example sentence, he grilled the chicken for dinner. Peel, meaning to remove the outer skin or covering. Example sentence, she peeled the potatoes before boiling them. Mix, meaning to combine ingredients together. Example sentence, he mixed the flour and water to make dough. Whisk, meaning to beat or stir with a light, rapid movement. Example sentence, she whisked the eggs until they were fluffy. Knead, meaning to work dough with hands to make it smooth and elastic. Example sentence, he kneaded the dough for bread. Pour, meaning to transfer a liquid from one container to another. Example sentence, she poured the milk into the glass. Grate, meaning to shred into small pieces using a grater. Example sentence, he grated the cheese for the pizza. Blend, meaning to mix together thoroughly. Example sentence, he blended the fruits to make a smoothie. Steam, meaning to cook with steam. Example sentence, he steamed the vegetables for a healthy meal. Roast, meaning to cook in an oven or over a fire. Example sentence, he roasted the turkey for Thanksgiving. Simmer, meaning to cook just below the boiling point. Example sentence, he simmered the sauce for an hour. Season, meaning to add spices or flavorings to food. Example sentence, she seasoned the soup with salt and pepper. Mash, meaning to crush food into a soft, smooth mixture. Example sentence, he mashed the potatoes with a fork. Broil, meaning to cook food directly under high heat. Example sentence, he broiled the steak in the oven. Marinate, meaning to soak food in a flavored liquid before cooking. Example sentence, he marinated the chicken overnight. Sauté, meaning to cook quickly in a small amount of oil over medium-high heat. Example sentence, she sautéed the vegetables in olive oil. Carve, meaning to cut meat into slices or pieces. Example sentence, he carved the turkey at the table. Sprinkle, meaning to scatter small amounts of a substance over food. Example sentence, she sprinkled sugar on top of the muffins. Sift, meaning to pass dry ingredients through a sieve to remove lumps or mix. Example sentence, he sifted the flour before adding it to the mixture. Grease, meaning to coat a pan or dish with a thin layer of fat. Example sentence, he greased the baking pan with butter. Whip, meaning to beat food, especially cream or egg whites, to add air and make it fluffy. Example sentence, she whipped the cream until it formed stiff peaks. Toast, meaning To brown food by exposure to direct heat. Example sentence, he toasted the bread slices in the toaster. Crush, meaning, to press or grind something into a powder or paste. Example sentence, she crushed the garlic cloves with a press. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.